Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna for beginners in mobile. Let's get into it. First, download and open the app. You need to have the app installed before you can see any stores or prices. Go to your phone's app store, search for the app, and click Download. Once it is done, tap the icon on your screen to open the app and see the main welcome page. Next, sign up by type in your email address and your mobile phone number when the screen asks for them. Look at your phone messages to get the secret text code, type it into the app, and fill in your name and birthday. Next, search for your favorite store. Now that your account is ready, you need to find the online shop where you want to do your shopping. Tap the search bar at the top of the app screen and type the name of the store you want to visit. Click on the store from the list and wait for their shop page to open up right inside your app. Because shopping inside the app is how the system tracks your total price. You have to open the store this way so the special pay button stays active at the bottom of the screen. It is the key to getting the right step so you can choose a payment plan later. Add your items to the bag, click the pay button at the bottom, and choose the option to pay in smaller parts over time. Look over the dates for your next payments, link your regular bank card, and hit the final confirm button. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.